Assalamu alaikum guys. You're watching Coding with Ali. Today lecture I describe how to connect Firebase in Flutter project using Flutter Fire CLI. Flutter Fire CLI is a useful tool which provide commands to help ease the installation process of Flutter Fire for all supported platform. Let's start the lectures. Will be on here, but I already added some project, so I will click on here, then add some appropriate name, like I will be write on here my new project, then click on continue, then again click on continue, then select the account. I will choose default account for Firebase, then create project. It will take some time. So after creating this project, I will be download Flutter Fire CLI and Node.js. Click on here continue, and then your project is created in Firebase. On here there are multiple options are shown. If you are manually adding project in all platform, then choose Android, iOS or web. But I want to connect my project in these three platforms and some other platforms like Mac OS, Linux, Windows, then I will be use Flutter CLI options. On here, first, he said that install the Flutter Firebase CLI and login, run Flutter Firebase login. It is necessary to install Firebase CLI because when you run the commands and try to configuration for all the supported platform, then you need to install two things. Number one, Firebase CLI and Node.js. If you are a Windows user, then click on Windows, else macOS and Linux. I am a Windows user, so I will click on Windows and then I will click on here to download it. Okay. And I also need one more thing, that is Node.js. I will click also on here. Both of things will start to download like this. I will pause it because I already downloaded it, and it will come on here after download both Firebase CLI and Node.js. First, after downloading these two tools, I will be click on here. On here, I will be checking credential. Credential mean I will be first log into Firebase, and then using Firebase CLI, I will run the command to connect the project in Firebase. So let's log in. It will take some time to checking credential and authentication. So be patient, and after that it will be said that Firebase optionally collects CLI and emulators, you should use it and blah blah blah. And then it will be asking me questions that one, allow Firebase to collect CLI and emulators suit usage and error reporting informations. It means that please allow Firebase to collect usage and error reporting information. Then I will be right why to say that I will allow you to collect error reporting and usage information from Firebase of my project. Then enter. Then it will go to browser. I will be off to this browser because I do not want to connect Firebase CLI on this browser. So I will off this browser, and then I simply copy this URL and paste my desired account where I want to connect project. Okay, then enter. Simply, I copy the link and paste on desired account. Then he asking me about my account. Then I will click on here, my new Gmail. Then he will be asking me permission. I will be click simply on allow button. Then Firebase CLI login successfully. Come back to Firebase CLI. Then on here success logged in has this my account. So I will off this Firebase CLI because I do not need anything, and also close this tab. And on here I will simply copy these commands. Please scroll down and copy these commands and open the command prompt. Before opening the command prompt, I suggested you to install this one. I already installed this, and it is simple step. Do not any simply go to click on here next 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 next, and then it will your Node.js will be installed. As I said that I already installed it, so it give me like these options. So if you are a new download, then it will not give you like this option. So I will cancel it because I already installed it. I do not need to again installation of a Node.js. So I want to finish it. Okay. To check Node.js are installed or not, you simply click on here and write down env for edit system environment variable, and check on here that path of your Node.js is adding or not. Not on here, it is in a system variable, and click on here. Yes, my Node.js is installed because I when it is installed, then automatically this path is adding in environment variable. So I will be closed it. I will also close it. I also close it. So then I will come in command prompt. In command prompt I simply first check npm because I want to check the version of a npm. If it is not installed correctly, then it will not show you version of a Node.js. So you can simply download and install again. So on here it will show me npm Node.js version, so it is installed correctly. Then I will come back and simply run this commands. Okay, and copy and then paste on here. ठीक है, then enter. It will take some time because it will installing your Firebase CLI tool in your PC. On here it is installed npm. Then next I will copy next command. Please come on here and click on next button. Then copy this command and paste on here simply. It will be import your all pubspec.yaml packages using this command. So giving warning because I do not add this path in edit system environment variable. So first I will copy this path and click on here and write down edit system environment variable. And what it is said that which is not on your path. You can fix that by adding the directory to your system's path environment variable. It means we will need to add it in system variable, edit system variable, and in system variable, then I will be create new one and paste on here. Then click OK, OK, and again OK. ठीक है. Then I will be run again this command because I download it to check it whether it is resolving this warning or not. It's still showing because I will off this command prompt and again I will open the command prompt and again I will copy this command and on here I will be write down this one to import all the packages. Yes, now no warning will be shown. I will simply close this command prompt and come in Firebase project where which project I want to connect. I simply first I create project, come in VS Code and click on here Flutter create. I will be write down any Flutter project name, like I will click Flutter project. Please write in lowercase test project, project. Project. Then I will click on enter. Then it will creating my test project. My project is created. Then I will go to and open the project and I will choose my directory where my project is pasted, this one. So I will select this folder and open the project. Now my project is opening. I simply copy the path of this project, my this project, and write down on here cmd. Your project path is automatically pasted and in command prompt. Yes, this is this one. Now I simply copy last command. One more thing, if you are not a new user, then you can simply copy these two command only. Do not need to again download and install Firebase CLI and Node.js and other one. You can simply click on here and on here and install the project. Then I will be click on here and it will be configure my project. First you need to select your platform, like I want to connect my project in Android, iOS and web. Then I will be then first select and then press space and on here I want to connect my project in these three platforms like Android, iOS and web. Then I will click on enter, like it will show me that your project is connected in Android, iOS and web. It will be fetching Android Firebase project configuration file and some other project is connected in all three platforms Then simply close this command prompt and open VS Code. Then on here you will see one file named like as Firebase option. If this file is come in your project, then it means your project is successfully connected with Firebase and in your project. The next step, I will initialize Firebase project in Flutter. I simply come on here and click on next, and then I will copy this command and paste on here. Yes, it give me error due to because I do not add two packages like Firebase core, which is necessary to import this Firebase. For that, I will go to pub.spec.yaml, pub.dev. I will go to pubdev, write down on here pubdev, and on here you will simply click Firebase core, then click on here and installing, then copy this. It is either copied or not, it is copied. Then come in terminal and paste on here. It will take some time. Sorry, two time, not one time. Flutter pub add Firebase core. Because why I add this package, because it is necessary to import this Firebase and default Firebase option. So for that I need to add it. It will take some time for resolving dependencies because it is first time to add this package. I think before I will run and add this import, I need one more thing, that is add Flutter pub get. Flutter pub get will resolve the new dependency which I added, like Firebase core. It will resolve this error, but still this error will be remaining. So I want click on button, this button, and click on Firebase option. It will also resolve your error, and simply click on async, write down async, then it will be your, it is still option, then your error will be solved. So what's the problem? Sorry, one more thing. I simply again import because something wrong happened to this, and I also import this one using this package. It will solve, and async, write down on here to remove errors in below the line of a await. And then now our Flutter project is connected to Firebase. Simply write down one more thing, like Flutter, sorry, one more command that is necessary to edit this one, because I already initialized it, but this command is necessary to run in a mobile app. So your app is connected. So next I will run my app in Chrome. Sorry, in Chrome I will be run, not window, because I do not edit. So I will simply click on here to check the project is either working fine or not. This is all for today. Hopefully, you will get the point and easily connect your Firebase with Flutter project for next time. Thanks for watching.